no! Oliver is lost! Where is he? Can the family find him? But wait, let us start from the beginning. This is a story about the family going to the zoo.
It is Saturday morning. The sun is shining. Today is a special day.
The family is in the kitchen. They are getting ready to go to the zoo. Good morning, everyone! Today we are going to the zoo.
Yes, the zoo! I want to see the elephants. Elephants are so big! I want to see the penguins. Penguins are my favorite animal.
Okay, I am packing water and snacks for everyone. It will be a long day.
Oliver, do you have your backpack? And your camera?
Yes, Dad. My backpack is ready. I have my camera inside.
Let us go to the car now. The zoo opens at 9 o'clock.
The family gets in the car. They drive to the zoo. It takes 20 minutes.
Are we there yet? I cannot wait. I want to see the animals. Look, Oliver. I can see the zoo entrance. We are almost there.
They arrive at the zoo. There are many people here today. It is very busy. Wait here with Mom. I will go and buy the tickets.
Oliver, hold my hand, please. There are many people here.
If you like this story, please click the like button and tell me in the comments, what is your favorite animal?
I have 4 tickets. Here we go. Let us enter the zoo. The family enters the zoo. There is a big map near the entrance. It shows all the animals. Let us go to the elephants first. Oliver, they are this way. They walk along a wide path with tall trees. The sun is warm. They hear birds singing.
Dad, I can see them. Elephants, they are so big.
Yes, elephants are the biggest animals on land. They are very strong.
Look over there, a baby elephant. It is drinking water with its trunk.
How cute! The baby elephant stays very close to its mother, just like you, Oliver.
Can I feed the elephant, Dad? I want to give it food.
No, Oliver. We cannot feed the animals here. It is not safe for them.
Okay, Dad, I understand. But can I take a photo?
Oliver takes a photo of the elephant. Then the family walks to the next area, the giraffes.
Wow, the giraffes are so tall. Look at their very long necks. Mom, how tall is a giraffe? Is it taller than our house?
A giraffe is about 6 meters tall. Yes, almost as tall as our house.
Look at the spots on the giraffe. Every giraffe has different spots, like fingerprints.
Really? That is amazing. I did not know that.
Emma takes out her small pink notebook and writes down what she learned. She likes to learn new things.
Now the family goes to the lion exhibit. Everyone is excited to see the king of the animals.
A lion! Look, Dad, but it is sleeping. Why is it sleeping?
Lions sleep a lot. They sleep about 20 hours every day.
20 hours! That is almost the whole day! That is so much sleeping!
I wish I could sleep 20 hours. No school.
Nice try, Oliver. But you need to go to school.
Suddenly, the lion opens its eyes. It stands up, and then it roars!
That was so loud! The lion is awake now! So cool!
After the lions, they walk to the penguin house. It is a special building. It is cooler inside.
This is my favorite place. I love penguins. They are so cute.
Look at how the penguins walk. They waddle from side to side. It is very funny.
Haha, they walk so funny. Look, they walk like a penguin.
Look, everyone! The penguins are swimming now. They are very fast in the water.
They are so fast. They fly through the water. Amazing! Mom, can we take a penguin home? I want one.
No, sweetie. Penguins need to live in a very cold place. Our house is too warm for them.
They leave the penguin house and walk back outside. The warm sun feels nice after the cold penguin house. Let us see the monkeys now. The monkey area is right over there.
The monkey area is very big. It has many tall trees, rope bridges, and swings. The monkeys love to climb and play.
Look at that monkey. It is eating a banana, just like me at breakfast. Oh, look, that monkey has a baby on its back. The baby is so tiny and cute.
The baby monkey holds its mother very tight. It feels safe with its mother.
Monkeys are very smart animals. Some monkeys can use sticks as tools to find food. It is lunchtime now. The family goes to the zoo cafe to eat.
Let us sit at this table. I am very hungry. Are you hungry too?
Yes, I am so hungry. Can I have a sandwich and orange juice, please? I would like a salad and some water, please.
I will go to the counter and order the food for everyone. Wait here with Mom.
Thomas goes to order the food. Anna and Emma look at the zoo map together, but Oliver sees something.
Oh, a butterfly. It is so beautiful. Look at its colors. I want to see it closer.
Oliver quietly leaves the table. He follows the butterfly. He walks further and further away. Anna and Emma do not notice. The butterfly leads Oliver to the flamingo pond. There are many beautiful pink birds here.
Wow, look at these pink birds. They are standing on one leg. That is so funny.
But then Oliver looks around. He does not see the cafe. He does not see Mom, Dad, or Emma. Oliver is lost.
Mom, Dad, where are you? I am lost. I cannot see you. I am scared. I want my mom and dad. I should not have followed the butterfly.
Back at the cafe, Anna looks up from the map. She sees Oliver's chair is empty.
Emma, where is Oliver? He was sitting right here. Where did he go?
I do not know, Mom. He was sitting next to me. I was looking at the map.
What is wrong? Where is Oliver? I have the food.
He was here just a moment ago. He walked away. Oh no, Thomas.
Stay calm. We will find him. Let us look together. He cannot be far.
Maybe he went to see more animals. He loves animals so much. Maybe the monkeys?
Good thinking, Emma. Anna, you go that way toward the monkeys. Emma and I will go this way toward the birds.
Oliver, where are you?
Oliver, Emma, can you hear us?
At the flamingo pond, a kind zoo worker sees Oliver crying on the bench. She walks over to help him.
I am lost. I followed a butterfly. Now I cannot find my mom and dad.
The zoo worker is very kind. She speaks into her walkie-talkie radio to ask for help.
An announcement plays on the zoo speakers. It says a little boy is waiting at the flamingo pond.
The flamingo pond. He is at the flamingo pond. I know where that is.
Thomas and Emma hear the announcement too. They turn around and run toward the flamingo pond.
Mom! Dad! Emma! You found me! You are here! Oliver! My baby! Are you okay?
Oliver, listen to me. You must never walk away alone. It is very dangerous. Do you understand?
I am very sorry, Dad. I will never do it again. I promise.
It is okay, Oliver. We are all together now. That is what matters.
Let us see one more animal before we go home.
The zebras!
And this time, we all stay together. The family walks together to the zebra area. Oliver holds Mom's hand very tightly. He will not let go.
Look at the zebras! They look like horses wearing pajamas!
Horses wearing pajamas. That is very funny, Oliver. You always make me laugh.
Before they leave, the family visits the zoo gift shop. There are many toys and souvenirs inside.
Dad, please, can I get this small elephant toy? I love elephants.
Of course you can. You were very brave today. Emma, would you like something too?
Yes, I want this penguin keychain. It will remind me of today.
The family leaves the zoo. It is late afternoon. The sun is going down. They had a wonderful day.
Today was the best day ever. I loved the elephants the most. I loved the penguins. They swim so fast in the water. I want to come back again.
And we all learned something very important today. Right, Oliver?
Yes, Mom. I must always stay with my family. I will never walk away alone again.
Good boy, Oliver. I am very proud of all of you. We had a wonderful day together.
The family drives home. Oliver falls asleep in the car, holding his little elephant toy. He is dreaming about the zoo. Now, here is a question for you. Where did the family find Oliver? Think about your answer. Thank you for watching today's story. If you want to see more stories, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button. See you in the next story.